Hello guys and welcome to Life RN. Today we're going to be doing the PlayStation 5 unboxing. Now this is strictly unboxing. It's basically me just showing you guys what we have here, which is the PS5. As you see here, it's a beautiful box, very sleek, very modern, kind of large in size. And then also we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the Sony PlayStation headset, the Pulse 3D wireless headset, and just a little accessory that was an addition to it, of course. Now going in here, this is the way that it was shipped to me. Got it on the opening day, so I was able to pre-order it, so it came right at my doorstep on November 12th, I believe it was. As you see here, again, the beautiful box. It wasn't wrapped quite as neat as I thought it would be. I thought it would have a little bit more bubble wrap around it to protect it, but hey, let's open it up. In the back, it gives you a little bit more information, lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, and stunning games. Well, looking forward to all those games for the PS5. And as you see here, it has a little handle. And 8K, 4K, 120 compatibility, and also HDR compatible. And it has its little safety seal right there as we open it up. This box is quite heavy, so just be very gentle when you're opening yours up if you decide to get one. Let's put that off to the side. And now it's a little bit more sleek of a box. This is a little thicker of a box. And look what we have here, the directions to properly open the box up. So just take it from the side like so. There's a little finger knob, pop it open. And here you have your accessories. Not crazy accessories, but the things to hook it up, of course. You have your, let me go ahead and pull it out. You have your manual, and then you have your AC power cord. It doesn't have the brick, so that's a good thing. It's not an additional piece of equipment. That, as we open this up, you see here the DualSense controller, and it's very sleek looking. Again, it matches the black and white exterior. That's your USB-C connector, so you can connect it. Of course, you have your triggers on the left and the right, and then you have your two joysticks right there. It doesn't have the extra button at the bottom. That's okay. It's just a really nice feel to it. It's matte, and the joysticks feel a little bit more firm than the PlayStation 4 version. So I'd like to see how that works as soon as I open it up. And then here we have this round looking thing, which is the base. I'll go ahead and show you how to hook that up later on. Don't throw it away. This is your HDMI cable, and of course your USB to charge your controller. As we slowly pull the console out, just be very careful because it is a bit tricky, especially if you have no extra hands to help you. And careful not to accidentally drop it. That's a given, but sometimes you get too excited opening it up, so you might accidentally drop it, right? And be very gentle when taking out of the cradle right there. And as we slowly pull back the wrapper, it's almost like undressing a piece of candy. There, you guys can see it. It's beautiful. It's a nice matte feel to it, just like the controller. And then as you see here on the inner part of the console, this is the front. The inner part is glossy, and there is your disk drive right there. It has the vents on, like if you look very closely, you'll see the vent there to help with the circulation and not to overheat. And then you have your power button at the very bottom, and then your USB connector for your controller. Now, so we go into there, you see the vent. It's beautiful. There's not much to it really. It's kind of large in size, but hoping that the specs will live up to all the hype. Let's flip it around. This is the back. Again, more ventilation on either side. Right, and if you look at the bottom here, you have the AC power cord outlet, and then you have your HDMI port output, and then your Ethernet and your 2 USB ports right there. And at the very top, you have your Kensington lock, which is a really nice feature to have that PS5 has added onto the console, so that thieves, if they try to take this basically like mini computer away from you, they wouldn't be able to quite easily open it up and retrieve the data. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the PS5 console itself. Let me know what you guys think on the games. I'm thinking of getting Spider-Man, and if you already have it, let me know if it's worth getting. It looks like a very interesting game, and of course there's other games to look forward to, but we'll see. Alright, and this is the base that I was talking about earlier that was pulled out of the box. Wasn't sure at first what this was until I read up on it, and yeah, you basically take this piece at the bottom after you twist it in opposite directions, and it's a little screw that just pops out, and it has one little area, like a little divot, so you can use a flathead screwdriver to connect it. So this part is where you are to place your PlayStation 5. Yeah, you could place it on the side. I'm going to place mine vertically, and here's my little screwdriver, power gun screwdriver, and it's going to be a bit tricky because of the angle of the camera, but I hope you guys can see it. Let's move these out of the way, and as you see here, I'm going to have to kind of turn it. If you look at the bottom of your PS5, if you're going to place it vertically, like standing up, then you're going to want to look at the bottom right here, and you'll see that there's a circle that pops off. So you're just going to gently pop this off and save that because you don't want to throw it away. You're going to simply place that black circle in here. There's a spot for it, and then you're going to grab this and just making sure that it's not popping off. There you go. And then grab this, place it right there. It doesn't fit the opposite direction, so there's only one way that it fits. And then at the very bottom, you see there that we popped off the hole so that we can place the screw right where it belongs, in that little hole. A little tricky doing this with a heavy console and in one hand. So with the other one with good support, you're just gonna simply screw it in. Then ensure that it is stable, and that will prevent your PS5 from accidentally getting knocked over if someone gets really excited and pulls the cord. That's pretty much it, guys. Again, that's your base, and now the unboxing of the Pulse 3D headset. This is dual hidden microphones in the headset itself, built-in rechargeable battery for up to 12 hours, easy access controls to quickly adjust the audio and chat settings, and then it has a 3.5mm jack, which is compatible with multiple audio devices, of course, refined e-pads. Enjoy comfortable gaming with this. And then it also has a wireless adapter. It kind of looks like a dongle, and we'll see once we open this up. So you can plug and play with PS5 consoles and PS4 consoles. And I guess the big thing here is that it's fine-tuned for 3D audio on PS5 consoles. I cannot wait to try this. Just amazing, like quality. I'm hoping that that's what it is, at least. And it looks fairly modern and sleek, just like how the PS5 console looks. This is just your features, of course, I just explained. And then you have there more paperwork. And similar to the PS5 console, when you're opening it up, all of the mumbo jumbo pops out. And if we look into this box, you're going to see the 3.5, I believe it's that. Yeah, so 3.5mm jack, I think. Yes. So 3.5mm jack, and then you have your USB cord for charging. Yep. And there's that if you'd like to use that instead. And here it looks like a little dongle, although the dongles usually adapt. So this is the wireless adapter to play without the jack, if you prefer that, in which I think most of us would want to do that anyway. So as you see here, as I'm pulling it out, the headset itself is quite large. I guess that's what Sony's doing this year with the PS5, is everything just go big or go home. And it has the same white and black sleek design to it. This is the headband portion, and then the earpiece right there. Okay, and then here you have your microphone, and then your status indicator, your power switch, then your audio jack right after the, look how it turns blue, it's similar to our remote, and then the audio jack, the USB Type-C, and then there's your mute button, and then there's also your volume control right there. And then if you want, the monitor lets you hear your own voice, and then the chat feature at the top. So overall, the feel is similar to the PlayStation 5 console, except the white area right there is very glossy. I guess we could remove this real quick. Let me peel this back. Yeah, the feel isn't as embossed and matte as the PS5 console, but at least it matches. So there's the remote control, the beautiful headset, and trying it on, it's huge. It's like the Turtle Beach ones. It's a really pretty comfortable fit. It is a little bit heavy, and the only thing that I wonder about this is that there isn't a way to fully adjust it, but we'll see. Let's play. Comment and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.